Worried an important email never arrived? Here's how to check blocked senders on your iPhone. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app from the home screen. Scroll down the Settings list and tap Mail to open Mail Preferences. In Mail Settings, find and tap the Blocked Senders option to view the list. You'll now see blocked email addresses and domains listed on this screen. Follow along with close-up screen recordings and captions for every tap as we go. Next, open the Mail app to cross-check whether any blocked messages reached your inbox. Tap Mailboxes at the top left and look for a blocked mailbox or any notices. If you find a blocked message, tap it to preview the sender and message details. To unblock a contact, go back to Settings, Mail, then Blocked Senders and select the entry. Swipe left on the blocked entry or tap Edit, then remove to unblock the sender. Final tip, after unblocking, restart Mail or your iPhone. The sender's emails should arrive normally.